Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. If it's your first time coming across Kayi cuisine, I'm Kayi, and today I will be sharing my palm nut soup recipe with you, and I will be pairing it with rice and also fufu. Let's get started. For ingredients, I will need 300 grams of palm soup base. This is my blended tomato, garlic and onion. You can see the chicken right here and also the smoked mackerel. I will be adding some fresh ingredients like okra, peppers, and also I will be adding 1 cube just for seasoning and a little bit of salt. So I'm going in now with the palm soup base. I'm going to transfer it into this bowl and add some hot water. After adding the hot water, you need to strain this 5 to 6 times in order for the black bit at the bottom to be completely out before you start cooking. Now I'm happy with it. I'm going to transfer it into the cooking pot. I will cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 cube, and also a teaspoon of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. It's time for me to add the cow skin. Normally, if I have time, I season this and cook it separately before adding it to the soup. But today I don't have much time to do that, so I'm going to cook it right here. Just make sure you add enough seasoning so the cow skin can also be cooked properly and soak in all the seasoning. Okay, my mom won't be very happy with this part, but it also works. So now after 15 minutes, I'm going in with a little bit of onion powder as well, and I will check the cow skin. It should be like not fully soft, but halfway soft. That will be good. So once I add all the other ingredients, the rest of the cooking time, the cow skin will be soft the way I want it. So I'm going in now with my blended tomato, garlic and onion, adding a little bit of salt here again and stir gently. Keep checking your seasoning. So if you need anything extra, just add it. I'm going in now with the fish, and the fish followed by the chicken. Okay, by this time you can see like the oil starts setting on top of the soup, which indicates that it's almost ready, so I can add the rest of the ingredients. It's time to add the fresh one that will garnish the soup. So I'm going in with the okra, onions and all the green peppers, with the red one of course, because you want your soup very inviting and colorful. It's all about making those dishes that when people are looking at it, or even yourself, you feel like, though I'm not hungry, I need to try this. That's all it is. So I'm going to leave it here now, cover it up and let it cook properly. Okay, and for the fufu, today I'm trying this new brand, which is oats plantain fufu. So I'm going to tell you how it tastes like comparing to my favorite brand. I'm going in now with the powder. Okay, and again it depends on how many people you are cooking for. This is just for 2 people, so measure it with your eyes. Okay, make sure you put enough in it. Just do it gradually and keep stirring it. Let me check the soup now. The soup is done, as you can see. Very yummy looking soup. So I'm going to focus on the fufu now. You can see now it's thick. Just use your arm here, make it faster, turn it very faster, and in 8 to 10 minutes max your fufu should be also ready. And this is our soup calling your name. I'm very sure. Don't worry, I'm going to serve the food very soon. All you need to do, no fork needed, no spoon needed. We are going to use our hands. It's fufu, guys. So go and wash your hands whilst I'm getting this ready, okay? And if you're planning to have this with rice, it's also perfect. You can see the consistency, okay? So our fufu now is sitting nicely here, and I'm going to add the soup. A massive shout out to all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate all of you for the love. Keep watching and keep sharing, please. Don't forget to drop your comments. You know how much I love reading your comments. So keep them coming. Sometimes I love using different, meat or fish, in my soup. But if you're just like a kind of fish person, just use fish. You don't have to add the chicken or the cow skin. It's also going to taste delicious, all right? I'm sure even the steam coming out of this soup is inviting you already. Don't worry, you're going to make this soup and you're going to tell me exactly how it went. I'm sure you're going to love this, okay? And if it's your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can be notified each time I drop a new yummy recipe. In Togo, this is the time we say midunulo, meaning you are invited. I'm going to wash this fufu down with the tango. So you can use any drinks of your choice, of course. Even water will do. But today I don't feel like drinking water. That's why I'm going for the tango. Enjoy and let's dig in. Guys, I went first for the cow skin. And the softness, the taste was just on another level. And the fufu now, I'm going to tell you what I think. With this new brand and what I use to cook here every day, this one right here, I would say I prefer the old one I always use here because it has this soft and sweet, taste. But this new one doesn't have the same taste, but still a healthy option. The next day, I tried the same soup with rice. And guys, this was just yummy. Very delicious. And like with soup, when you have it the next day, there is another level of sweetness to it. And I really enjoyed it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video the same way I had fun making this recipe for you. Guys, let me know in the comment section, would you pair this with fufu and rice, or are you going to go only for fufu? Let me know. And thanks so much for watching. Bye for now. Au revoir.